Taking list from the user. Hello there. Today we are going to learn about using two functions, append and eval in Python. Let's talk about append function first. This function will add the elements entered by the user to the list. Here's a program to add names of 5 children in a list. Now, let's execute the program. In the output screen, type the name and press Enter. Continue 5 times. Look, the final list is displayed. The program can be understood in a simple way. I iterates to take a value 0. Then it asks the user to enter the first name. Next, it adds this name to the list A. I iterates to take the value 1. Then it asks the user to enter the next name. Next, it adds this name to the list A. This continues till I takes the value 4. The last name is added and the loop terminates when I becomes 5. Finally, the list is printed. Now, let's understand the eval function. This function is used to take the details at one go and then print it as a list. Here's the same program using eval function. Look at the difference. Let's execute this program. In the output screen, type the list of names and press Enter. Ensure the names are enclosed within square brackets, each name within single quotes and separated by commas. Look, the names are entered and displayed in one go. Let's understand it step by step. First, a list of names is entered which is stored in L. It waits till the complete list is entered. Next, it prints the complete list L in one go. Wasn't that easy? Try writing programs using these functions in Python in your lab sessions. Thank you.